In this video, we are going to show you how to create a content calendar using Poppy AI. Now, the only thing we need to do is whatever your genre is, go look at your top competitors. And for example, we're going to use true crime as a genre. You want to just get the most, or just get the link of the most successful recent videos of your competitors, like so, and then paste it here on your board in Poppy. Maybe get this other one, 60,000 4 days. That's not bad. Click share, copy that again. So you kind of get what I'm trying to do here. Let's get another one just to make sure, right? So this one, 3 days, 912. So that's pretty good, almost 1 million. So once we've added everything here, right? We got everything here. Or better yet, just create a board and just put everything there, right? But for this example, we're not going to use a board. Let's just connect everything to an AI chat by Poppy, and then have a prompt that's something like this. So based on the attached competitor videos, create a 30-day content calendar for my channel. Format it as a table, include publication dates, engaging titles, core hooks, and a 2-sentence overview of the video framework. And press enter. Now Poppy is going to start doing that as a table, right? So as you can see here, there we go. And as you can see, it's now creating a table, which is pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. It's just going to do the whole 30 days for you. So you don't need to just scrounge around and like, oh, what's going to be my next video for next week, or et cetera, et cetera. And yeah, if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.